Hyundai Motor Manufacturing Alabama has announced a significant investment of $290 million to boost the production of its sport utility vehicles. This announcement was made in the presence of Alabama Governor Kay Ivey, Montgomery City leaders, and HMMA's president and CEO, Ernie Kim. Out of the total investment, $190 million is allocated for tooling and equipment upgrades in preparation for the production of the all-new fifth-generation Santa Fe. An additional $100 million will be directed towards supporting the ongoing production of the Tucson SUV and the Santa Cruz Sport Adventure vehicle. Governor Ivey expressed her anticipation to see the redesigned Santa Fe on the roads, while Montgomery Mayor Stephen Reed highlighted HMMA's significant role in the city's economic growth. The new Santa Fe, set to begin assembly later this year, boasts a bold exterior design, an enlarged tailgate and cabin, a refined interior with sustainable materials, and a 12.3-inch panoramic curved display. The Montgomery Chamber Board Chairman, LaBarron Boone, emphasized the pivotal role Hyundai has played in driving Montgomery's momentum forward. Over the past 2 decades, HMMA has undergone 16 expansions, with a cumulative investment surpassing $3.3 billion solely at the Montgomery plant. This consistent growth and investment underscore Hyundai's position as a leading driver of economic development and innovation in the region.
Since 2006, more than 1 million Santa Fe has rolled off HMMA's assembly line. Today, the legacy of the Santa Fe continues with HMMA investing another $190 million to prepare our assembly plant for the next generation of this popular SUV. Last week, Hyundai Motor Company revealed this radically transformed all-new Santa Fe on social media. The fifth-generation midsize SUV carries forward its signature nature meets city appeal while implementing major updates to match the latest outdoor lifestyle trends. Our team members are preparing to begin assembling the all-new Santa Fe later this year.
What a great day to be out here to celebrate this awesome announcement. For you and all the team members here at Hyundai, we're grateful for the work that you have done. We're grateful for this investment that you continue to make in our community. And on behalf of our city council, and all of the employees at the city of Montgomery, we're grateful that you call Montgomery home.
For nearly 2 decades, Hyundai Motor Manufacturing of Alabama has been the pace setter for innovation and a leader in the auto industry nationwide. When Hyundai rolls out a new design off this world-class automobile assembly line, America takes notice. No doubt they are watching again today as we lift the curtain to reveal yet another cutting-edge creation of Hyundai engineering. One of the secrets of Hyundai's success and domination in auto manufacturing is its Alabama workforce. Its 14,000 plus direct and indirect employees across the state take great pride in playing a major role in the development and the delivery of many of America's most popular automobiles. Made in Alabama with pride is our winning strategy.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.